Any like vanillas or gourmand scents, it pairs up really, really well. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I'm back with a luxury on a budget haul for us mid-tier material girls. These were all items that I found that I felt like had a lot of quality and a lower price. So first quality buy on a budget here is this keratin treatment. I picked this up at Marshall's. I feel like I've talked about this before in another haul maybe. I don't remember. But if I haven't, here's a refresher. I absolutely love this for my relaxed hair. I use this is my deep conditioner that I use weekly, and it just works amazing. It makes my hair feel so soft, and it just really nourishes and takes care of my, it's not color treated, but chemically treated hair. I literally swear by this stuff. I've been using it for about a year and a half now. And like I said, I picked these up at Marshall's and it runs for $6, $5.99 exactly. Next purchase I have here is an Amazon pickup. This is my favorite set of nails. I don't know if the glare gonna let us be great, but these are my absolute favorite set of nails from Amazon. I just love the design, and when I put them on, they look like I went and got a manicure. They run for about $7 something, maybe $8. I didn't fully check, but it's in that range. This is my second time buying them, and I love them. It doesn't come with glue, but it does come with the accessories to like do your cuticles and everything before you put it on. Also, I feel like with these, because the tone of the nail is pink, you don't get that like bubbly effect that sometimes opaque nails can have, or clear nails like this can have. When you put the glue on them, you can like see where it bubbled and everything. Hear me out. I know some people don't like Bath and Body Works, but to me, I will say I'm also not that big of a fan. I love the scents, but they never really last or stick to me long enough for me to really get any compliments on it. Now granted, they're body sprays, so it's really not gonna last you that long. Same as like toilets don't last as long. They're just not as potent. But if you didn't know, they are great for layering. I've been using my 1,000 Wishes. I got this as a present a while back and I just forgot I had it. But I actually smelled this the other day and I was like, you know what this would really pair good with? Burberry Her. So I paired these up together, and y'all, it smells so amazing. This is a great matchup. I actually have the body wash as well, so I did those two as my layering setup, and then topped it off with the Burberry Her, and they went so well together. Now I'm not talking about Burberry Her in this video because it's not really a mid-tier material girl buy. I mean, it kind of is, but you know, it's a more expensive product than the range that I was talking about. I'm trying to keep everything under $100, but you know, you like this, you should get. Speaking of perfume, I do have two perfumes here that were also under $100 that I think really stand out. Now I've talked about this one. This was in my perfume haul, my entire collection. This is Philosophy's Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere. It is a toilette, so it's not going to be quite as strong, but it is a great thing to layer with. I love layering it with Kayali Vanilla 28. It goes really well. And also, what else does it go with? Any like vanillas or gourmand scents, it pairs up really, really well. If you want to know more, check out my perfume haul video where I go over my entire collection. And this one is a newbie from a brand I just tried. This fragrance was a blind buy I picked up from Gourmand and Beauty. I just saw an ad for them on Instagram, so I was like, let me give them a try. I will be doing a blind buy haul, so that's where I'll be doing more information on this fragrance, but I will say this is a very nice fragrance to have. It's a real classy, sweet scented perfume that is, I believe, under $40. I think it's actually like $20. Next up are these boots here. I've been rocking them. I want to say I got these in like December, but these are from Shein. I'm a combat boot girl, but I do like mine just a little bit feminine, so I always get mine with like some sort of heel on it. And just, I don't know, something about it just looks a little more feminine to me than just the flat-footed combat boot, but I actually have those two. We're gonna get into that in a second. They're perfect for going out and being casual, but you know, you still stand out because you're a little bit fancy, because this is like a 4-inch heel. I love pairing these with like the long socks and scrunching them down, especially because like I got skinnier ankles, so I'll be trying to add a little bit of bulk to meet my calf. I have these here. These are Steve Madden boots. They look a lot like the Prada boots because clearly they're inspired, but I love these because they're such great quality. I don't know if I've ever had as good of a quality shoe as this, actually, now that I think about it. I wore these, my foot was so sturdy, y'all. Now I will say, fair warning, they do make your foot look kind of big, but it's worth it because these are so chic. I just wear these out and I got so many compliments on them. Plus I love the little pocket on the side. These boots ran me about $77, and I think the Prada ones are a good $1,800. The little piece here does snap on and snap off. So you have options with how you want to wear this. Now this luxury on a budget purchase is something I've been using very often and I'm really impressed with. This is my Foxy Bae flat iron. I got this from working with the Flip app. I did a, what's it called? That's what I'm looking for. I did a partnership with them, and with that I got a few products, and this was one of the products that I had chosen, was a new flat iron. I love how when I use these in my hair feels healthier afterwards. It's got like tourmaline in it and all these other things. I actually reviewed it on the Flip app, so if you look me up, if you have the Flip app, you can find my reviews and things on there. Now there are places you can get it for cheaper. The Foxy Bae website actually is running this for about $71. And then I also noticed on Amazon you can find Foxy Bae flat irons as well. It may not be this exact one, but they also have affordable, great quality flat irons on there too from the same company. And then they also have a mini version of this that I believe is like $40. My only thing with this is I don't like that it's only on one setting. I did look at the box and everything before I used it. The setting is like 410, so that's not bad, but you know, maybe I want to go lighter on the heat, maybe I want to go higher on the heat. Well, I don't see a scenario where I'm going higher on the heat on my own hair, but you know, maybe I want to go lower and I can't. That's the only thing, is you're stuck to one temperature. You don't have a choice. So those are my luxury on a budget purchases for this month. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you've been buying this month that the mid-tier material girls want to know about. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.